Hello guys, I want to show you on a 4K how to set the clock, the hour. Turn the key in position 2, hit this menu button, now you have hour on the screen. Press once menu and now you can set the hour. To pass on a minute, press once menu and again set the hour. To finish this settings, press one menu and that's it. Bye.